For me, who has made lots of efforts during this long journey, and to give me a new marvelous inspiration, the all-new Grandeur comes with cozier indoor seats than ever before. Comfort Stretch provides relaxation to the passenger and will gently lift up yesterday's exhausted bodies. Press the button to awake your infinite potential today. Oh, there's even strength adjustment and operating time. What a nice thing to have. A reclining function that shows the expandability. Turns the rear seats into my very own space. With this simple but perfect button. A comfortable seating space. That's what I always dreamed of.